This is a clip from the Chris Drake Show podcast.
The intro to that, the Digital Wiccan, is incredible.
Yeah.
Like, that's... How many girls you piss off by saying that part at the end where she's getting fat?
There's another story. There's a wonderfully renowned college radio station out here called Princeton Radio, and it's a college station. And the girl, it was a girl that was the program director. I met her and talked to her, and she was interested in the music, and so I gave her Digital Wiccan and several other albums, and within, I think, a day and a half, she sent me back an email that it was the most offensive thing she'd ever heard in her life. It was completely misogynistic. She's a feminist and all this stuff, and I lost all chances of being played not only on her program, but being played on that ever.
Wow.
And that was one small ambition I had, which was like, I heard some of the music that got played on this station, and I said, well, why can't that be on there? But,
Sarah, did you find that misogynistic, what you heard?
I actually didn't hear Digital Wiccan.
Probably lost her on the intro to that. Probably.
I didn't hear Digital Wiccan. I have not heard that
I'm
yet.
sorry, Dale. I did not play the
Can we
intro
play
to
that?
Yeah.
Because it's only like a minute, isn't it?
Yeah, let's go ahead and play right now. And
Okay.
and get Dale's actual...
We'll get a round
I'm
table.
fairly
here we go.
open-minded about things.
Now, we've only
not
got
that bad.
we've only
It's
got
like a
6
male
more minutes with
perspective.
Dale left here.
Uh-oh.
So, it'll be plenty of time. If I can... click
Digital
this,
Wiccan
right?
coming at you real quick, and we're going to get a round table going
Wait, is this it?
afterwards.
Yeah.
Digital Wiccan, Dale
Okay.
J. Gordon.
Behold, the digital Wiccan, running vocal apps, loosening her mind and her belt, casting spells upon a cell phone screen, pushing a man's buttons long distantly, affecting from afar the emotions clock-eating game. Waste a man's time and lure him by his wallet. She wants to believe in love, so that's what she calls it. A return phone call means so much to a toy-loving lady, to a gadget-loving gal. Proves that you love her. Gets rid of the maybe. Maybe is a bad word. A digital Wiccan casting spells by pushing buttons that causes beeping and vibrating in a young man's blue jeans. So vague is the language that she uses. This practitioner of magic is so abusive. The young man's day is going fine until she shoots him with a message, sends his pants a-shaking. Nothing is confirmed and everything is a question. What does she mean by that? What does she mean by that? You're getting fat. She's getting fat. She's getting fat. Who cares? She's getting fat. You've gotten fatter since we met. I'll tell you that. You're getting fat. You're getting fat.
Wow. Wait for it.
Every time we break.
Yeah, what a great intro right there. That is
I just want to find an excuse to play Belinda Belt Loosely. I'll tell you what this relates to, Belinda Belt Loosely.
From the Chris Drake Show podcast.